If you're an AI engineer or ML practitioner, you know the nightmare of manual testing. Endless hours crafting edge cases, chasing false negatives, and wondering if your model will crumble in production. Building AI Test Generator changes the game. It auto generates edge case scenarios using LLM powered adversarial testing, maps functional requirements to validation checks, integrates latency and accuracy benchmarks, and exports test suites compatible with TensorFlow, PyTorch, and MLflow pipelines. This isn't just efficiency, it's a 80% reduction in manual effort. Say goodbye to all-nighters writing test cases and hello to sleeping through the night. Data scientists, DevOps leads, and AI QA teams, your new secret weapon just arrived. Here's what's inside the Building AI Test Generator skill. First, LLM driven edge case generation that stress tests models with adversarial inputs and rare data distributions. Second, a functional validation framework that cross references model outputs against spec defined requirements. Third, performance benchmark integration for measuring inference speed, memory usage, and accuracy drift. Fourth, production ready test suite exports in PyTest, JUnit, and BDD formats. Fifth, expert instructions for CI CD pipeline integration. It comes with code templates for model explainability checks, data drift detection, and real world examples from NLP, computer vision, and recommendation systems. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just testing, it's bulletproofing your AI. Installing the Building AI Test Generator skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building AI test generator. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance on test strategy design, code templates for model validation loops, and examples spanning LLMs, CNNs, and tabular data pipelines. No config hell, your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to generate test cases for multimodal inputs, flag statistical bias, and benchmark against industry standards. It's like giving your workflow a PhD in quality assurance without the student debt. Ready to test smarter? The future of AI validation is one command away.